electric Taylor craft.
Very pretty.
Good job, Randy, on the camera.
Here's Jim Hiller coming in.
Jim is from Spokane.
That's silky smooth.
Now comes my gust of wind. That's my excuse anyway.
Starting to get a little breezy.
That put me out for the week.
Okay, Jim Weaver's coming in for a spot landing with a dead engine. He's down, and he made it. Skyboat, I guess. Dennis Hepburn just finished a wing over with his Newport 28. Nice going, Dennis. Flyby. Nice landing. Dennis is from Auckland, not Oakland, New Zealand. Well, that was a 10. Alan Sen flying his cap. Okay, Dennis is coming in, and his sidle just quit. He's down.
There you go.
Well, Dennis, what do you think of the day's proceedings?
Very hot, very tiring, quite enjoyable.
Hey, you walked away from this last one, didn't you?
What's that?
And you got walked away from the last one. You got a plane to fly tomorrow, right?
That's correct.
Hey, you're a winner already.
Oh, thanks.
Gary Parker on a flyby with Jerry Turrentine's 28. Okay, I think the Turrentine Newport's coming in. Very nice. Touch and go. Russ Strong flying Gary Parker's Jenny. Jerry Turrentine's 28 is down thanks to Gary Parker. Team scale. Very nice. Alan Sen is down. Curtis Jenny. Hey, Joe Topper's gonna try it again in team scale. He's away. Here's Joe's flyby. Overshoot. Very nice. Overshoot for Joe. I think this is going to be Joe's touch and go. It's nice. Team scale. Joe Topper and Dick Heining. Don Irwin taxiing out with his laser for his last fly of the day on Saturday. Nice one, Don. Okay, Joe's coming in for a beautiful landing. How about that? How about that?
One of the nicer ones of the day.
There they are. Our compliments to the chefs. Mark Heining, you did a good job.
And down here to this guy too. Yeah. Turn around. Say hi.
Thanks a million.
You're welcome.
Did a great job.
We couldn't do without you.
And we got Scott Heining over here doing more chicken. You got your choice, hamburgers, chicken, or hamburger and chicken. Hey, too.
Thank you. Appreciate
Look at this food. Look at this food.
Chris Heining.
Look at this food. Wow. And look at that scale watermelon. Hey, I'm on the stage. I should give a speech. Look at all these people eating this good food. Been flying model aircraft all day long.
How's your flying, Dick?
Well, my flying stank the last third flight, so we won't talk about that. Yeah, my airplane's upside down in the shop.
The retracts aren't working right.
There's Dick Heining. Thanks to Dick Heining, this is his home and his business. Good man, Dick. All right. A good time is being had by all. Saturday night.
Mike Buller.
Proctor Enterprises. The Prune Hill Pickers from Camas. Hey, welcome aboard.
So, they have a few numbers that they'd like to share, just a few, and then they can do them again so we can stretch it out.
Oh, San Antonio.
Right.
Oh, look who we got here, our contest director.
Boy, does he look serious?
And this, and he's flying. Love that music.
Here it comes.
Art Newland.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. 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 Da-da-da-da. Dueling banjos. Uh-oh. There's Art Newland. Hey, good one.
Thank you. Thank
Art
you.
Newland.
So humble.
Randy gets high static award for his Cessna Ag Wagon.
That's
Good going, Randy.
99 points out of 100.
Great,
Nice.
great.
Very good.
Jeremy Firstman wins High Flight Award for Saturday, right? High Flight Award.
Flight,
Good.
high flight.
Okay.
High flight.
Good guy. Good.
What's he get for driving?
Dennis,
It's a rubber wrap.
all the way from New Zealand.
This is a glow charger from Tammy's Hobbies, one of our local people. Hopefully you can maybe get a subsidiary going in New Zealand or something. You want to say anything?
Dennis.
We're the ones that talk
Dennis,
funny.
all the way from Auckland. He gets the
Dennis
longest
doesn't talk
travel
much.
award.
No, you guys talk funny.
We talk funny. We're the ones that messed up.
Gary Parker wins Pilot's Choice with his Albatross D5A Proctor kit. Good
And
going, Gary.
Our local hobby shop, RC Modeler North.
Bill Wilson, Spokane, wins the Best Crash Award for Saturday with a Stuka going straight in.
Straight in.
Bill, we're
Crashed
very
early, we
sorry.
didn't get any pictures of it.
Especially it's a World War II bird. We're
Yeah.
very sorry.
Well, saves me $1,500 so.
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give, I'm truly going to give it to Jeremy, right? And I'm going to really get him started.
Dennis Hepburn wins the Airtronics radio for his son, Jeremy. He didn't win it.
Thank
We,
Airtronics very much for their,
Kind of awarded it to him.
and also thank Proctor Enterprises for
Promised to get his son started in radio control modeling. Micah Barnett on the trumpet.